Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Bambino mushroom soup. Clean mushrooms gently and slice thinly to preserve texture. Then sweat onion and garlic in 2 tablespoons of butter until translucent. Add mushrooms and cook until they release liquid and brown slightly. Pour in 2 cups of vegetable or chicken stock and simmer 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to concentrate flavor and soften all pieces evenly for a silky finish. Start by deglazing with 1/4 cup of dry white wine or extra stock to lift brown bits and deepen taste, scraping the pan well. Return heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes so flavors meld and liquid reduces slightly. Cool slightly and blend until smooth, then whisk in reserved stock a little at a time to reach the consistency you like, whether velvety or a bit chunky for texture. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice as a cheeky little pick-me-up between stirring and simmering. It smells great and makes your drive home match your cozy soup mood. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Finish by stirring in 1/2 cup cream or coconut milk to add silkiness and round out flavors without overpowering the mushrooms. Taste and season with salt, black pepper, and a small squeeze of lemon to brighten the bowl. Warm gently, then ladle into bowls and garnish with chopped parsley and a light drizzle of olive oil for sheen. Serve with crusty bread for dipping and enjoy the cozy, mushroom-forward comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.